Is your skin starting to look older after age 50? Maybe your face looks more tired every morning, fine lines appear deeper than before, your skin feels dry, dull, loose, or less healthy, no matter how many expensive creams you buy, and perhaps you've already tried anti-aging serums, collagen powders, facial oils, or cosmetic products, hoping something finally works, but nothing seems to change the way your skin looks in the mirror. What if I told you, one simple morning habit hidden inside millions of kitchens may actually help support healthier, younger-looking skin naturally? And no, I am not talking about dangerous injections or expensive procedures. I'm talking about coffee, but only if you drink it the right way. According to research involving antioxidants and healthy aging, coffee naturally contains plant compounds called polyphenols and chlorogenic acids that may help reduce oxidative stress linked to visible skin aging, and oxidative stress is one of the major processes connected to wrinkles, dull skin, dryness, collagen breakdown, and loss of elasticity over time. In fact, researchers studying healthy aging have found that moderate coffee intake may support healthier aging outcomes in some adults when combined with proper lifestyle habits. But here is the problem most people never realize: the way most people drink coffee today may actually worsen skin aging instead of helping it. Too much sugar, too many flavored syrups, too little water, poor sleep, and drinking coffee at the wrong time of day. That combination may quietly damage the skin over time. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Mason Hale. For more than 27 years, I have worked with older adults struggling with dull skin, wrinkles, fatigue, dehydration, poor circulation, inflammation, and visible signs of aging. And over the years, one thing became very clear to me: most people are not aging only because of time, they are aging because daily habits silently damage the body and skin every single day. Poor hydration, high sugar intake, stress, poor sleep, smoking, inflammation, and nutrient deficiencies all affect how the skin looks and feels over time. And surprisingly, coffee sits right in the middle of this conversation. Now let me explain something important immediately. Coffee is not magic. It cannot literally make someone 20 years old again overnight, but research suggests that when consumed correctly, moderate coffee intake may support healthier circulation, lower oxidative stress, better alertness, and healthier aging overall. The problem is that most people completely destroy the potential benefits with unhealthy habits surrounding coffee. One of my patients, Sandra, age 66, used to drink giant sugary coffee drinks every morning loaded with syrup, whipped cream, flavored creamers, and extra sugar. She believed coffee was giving her energy and helping her feel younger, but by afternoon, her face looked puffy, dry, and tired. Her energy crashed every day, and her sleep quality slowly became worse over time. After making several simple changes, something surprising happened. She switched to smaller amounts of black coffee with very little added sugar. She started drinking water before and after coffee. She improved sleep habits and began walking daily, and within several weeks, she noticed her face looked less swollen and more refreshed. In the mornings, her skin appeared healthier. Her energy became more stable, and even her family noticed she looked less tired than before. This is where many people misunderstand the connection between coffee and skin health. Coffee itself is not usually the biggest problem. The problem is everything surrounding the coffee habit. According to nutrition and aging research, coffee contains antioxidants including polyphenols and flavonoids that may help reduce oxidative stress inside the body. Oxidative stress is strongly connected to visible aging because it may damage collagen and skin cells over time. Collagen is the protein helping skin stay firm, smooth, and elastic. As collagen declines naturally with age, wrinkles become more visible and the skin begins looking thinner and less firm. Inflammation, smoking, excess sugar, stress, ultraviolet exposure, and poor sleep may all speed up this process dramatically. And interestingly, researchers became interested in whether coffee's antioxidant compounds might help support healthier aging when consumed in moderation. Some evidence suggests moderate coffee drinkers may experience healthier aging outcomes compared to individuals consuming excessive sugary beverages daily. But again, the details matter enormously. The first major mistake many people make is drinking coffee without enough water. Caffeine may slightly increase fluid loss in some individuals, especially when consumed excessively without proper hydration. And when the body becomes dehydrated, the skin often looks drier, tighter, and more wrinkled temporarily. Fine lines may appear more visible, dark circles may worsen, and the face may look more tired overall. That is why one of the simplest habits I recommend is this: drink 1 glass of water before coffee and another glass of water afterward. This simple hydration habit may help support healthier skin moisture and circulation throughout the morning hours. The second major problem involves sugar. Many coffee drinks today contain shocking amounts of added sugar. Caramel syrups, sweet cream foam, chocolate sauces, flavored creamers, whipped toppings, and sugar may quietly damage skin through a process called glycation. According to skin aging research, glycation occurs when sugar molecules attach to collagen and elastin fibers, making them weaker and less flexible over time. This process may contribute to wrinkles, sagging skin, stiffness, and faster visible aging. In other words, the coffee itself may not be aging the face. The sugar inside the coffee may be doing much more damage. One of my patients, Linda, age 70, used to drink sweet-flavored coffee 3 times daily. She constantly complained about dry skin, dullness, and deepening wrinkles around her mouth and eyes. After reducing added sugar significantly and focusing more on hydration and sleep quality, she noticed gradual improvements within 2 months. Her face looked less inflamed, her morning puffiness improved, and her skin appeared healthier overall. Now let me be very clear. This was not because coffee magically erased wrinkles. It happened because inflammation, dehydration, and excess sugar were finally reduced inside the body, and that distinction matters enormously. Now let's talk about sleep, because this may be even more important than coffee itself. Many people drink coffee late in the afternoon or evening without realizing how strongly it may affect sleep quality. And poor sleep is one of the biggest hidden causes of dull, tired-looking skin. During sleep, the body repairs cells, regulates stress hormones, and supports recovery processes affecting the skin. When sleep becomes poor, inflammation may increase while skin recovery becomes weaker overnight. That may worsen dark circles, puffiness, dryness, and visible fatigue on the face. This is why timing matters. If possible, avoid drinking large amounts of coffee late at night, especially after evening hours. Healthy skin depends heavily on healthy sleep. Another important factor involves physical activity and circulation. Many people search endlessly for miracle skincare products, while ignoring the enormous impact of movement on healthy aging. Regular walking and gentle exercise help support blood flow and circulation throughout the body, including the skin. Better circulation may help the face appear more refreshed and healthier over time. Exercise also supports stress reduction, which matters tremendously because chronic stress may worsen inflammation and visible aging. One of my patients, Robert, age 68, began combining moderate morning coffee with daily walks and improved hydration habits. Within several months, he not only felt stronger physically, but his face looked less tired and more energized overall. Sometimes the healthiest glow does not come from cosmetics. It comes from circulation, sleep, hydration, and movement working together naturally.